We'll guide you through how to draw in Krita using the latest interface and features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once you're in, go to the File menu at the top left and select New to start a new canvas. You'll see a dialog box where you can set the dimensions of your canvas. Choose the size that suits your project, then click Create. Now, you should see a blank canvas. Next, go to the toolbar on the left side. Select the Brush tool, which is usually represented by a paintbrush icon. You can now choose from a variety of brushes and sizes in the Brush Presets docker. If the docker isn't visible, go to the top menu, select Settings, then Dockers, and make sure Brush Presets is checked. Once you've chosen your brush, start drawing on the canvas. You can adjust the brush size by using the slider at the top or by pressing the square bracket keys on your keyboard. To change the color, go to the Color Selector docker, where you can pick any color from the wheel or use the RGB sliders. If you make a mistake, you can easily undo it by pressing Ctrl+Z prime. Krita also supports layers, which are very useful for complex drawings. You can add a new layer by clicking the Add Layer button at the bottom of the Layers docker. This allows you to draw different elements on separate layers without affecting others. If you want to try different effects, go to the Filter menu where you can find options like Blur or Sharpen. Remember to save your work frequently by going to File and selecting Save As. Choose your preferred file format, and you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.